Now it's look completely new. This is somewhere about 4.5-year old car, just coming out from showroom. Workmanship is great.
Hi guys, welcome back and हाँ बोलो
कौन सा गाड़ी सर?
बता सामने लिखा हुआ है
सिंगम
गाड़ी का नाम बोल बस
जगुआर
क्या है
जगुआर
जगवाल आए So guys, we have the 2020 Jaguar XF with us today, and this is not a brand new car. We're going to show you the condition of the paint before. This is coming for a paint protection film, and the car's paint is far from perfect. कुछ साइड पे उस साइड पे cement markings है because cement is all on the car. This needs heavy paint correction because the paint is not perfect. There are light scratches all over the car. तो इस गाड़ी को करने वाले हैं पहले तो पेंट करेक्शन, एंड ये सब जहाँ पे सीमेंट या पेंट गिरा हुआ है गाड़ी पे हम वो सब निकालने वाले हैं, एंड उसके बाद करेंगे इसका PPF on the lower section. On the top part of the car, we're going to be doing a ceramic coat. So the lower part is going to be with PPF, good paint protection film, which is a TPU 200 micron film, which will really give this a good shine. So paint correction plus the PPF is going to make this gloss look immense. Right now the car is not really shiny, it's looking really bad. Once we're done with the whole thing, this car is going to come back to life, and this car looks really nice. But it's going to require a lot of work to be able to get back to its original glory, or even better than the original glory. That's what we're targeting with this car. There are a lot of hard water marks on the alloys and on all the decals. Everything has a lot of hard water, so there's going to be a lot of effort involved in getting this car back to the original. So let's go. इस वीडियो को ट्राई करेंगे थोड़ा और एंटरटेनिंग बनाने का आपके लिए, ताकि आप बोर नहीं हो. But let's go and get the process started. Guys, we are done with the decontamination wash, and the next process that we're going to be starting with is the paint correction. And this is a very important stage because before we put the PPF, we need to remove all the scratches on the paint, and considering this is about a 2 to 3 year old car, we need to remove every single scratch from the paint to give it that black, deep black finish. So that's what we're going to be doing right now, the paint correction, and this probably will need to be done with a 3-step process. So that's what we're going to be doing right now to kind of make sure our black car has a deep black finish before we install the PPF.
Okay, so basically I have given this car about 5 days back for the PPF coating, and now it's look completely new. This is somewhere about 4.5-year old car, and now it's like just coming out from showroom. Okay, so workmanship is great. Let's see how it's go with a month, and I will give another review after a month.